good time, having a good time. We are the champions, my friend. What's the love now? How can I forget the moment that you stepped into the room? You took my breath away.
Everybody looks at me on stage and they think that's how I am, like arrogant, and you know, that's the way I am. No, and when you look at me now, I'm quite boring, really.